Here's a quick walk around video of my 1979 Ford F250 4x4 Super Cab. Real nice truck, it's been restored. Real X26 VIN. It's got 33s on there. Good solid truck. It's got all the trim on it. Good glass. Pretty clean underneath. It's got a 4-inch Skyjacker lift on it. Steering stabilizer. Take a look underneath the hood here. Clean under there. It's got a 400-inch motor in it. It's got all the AC components. A lot of them look pretty fresh. Haven't figured out what's going on with the AC. Might need to be charged because it doesn't blow cold. I might get to fixing that, I'll have to see. Good solid truck, doesn't have any rust. Underneath the doors look good. It's got newer carpet in it, newer seat, nice headliner. It's original AC truck, automatic. It's got the forward-facing rear seat. You can't see that very well. You see it in the pictures they post. Underneath that door. So we get that back seat a little better. Dash is all in good shape. Cool old truck. So it's for sale. Probably have it posted on YouTube and a few other places, Facebook Marketplace. But I'll put my phone number in the ad. If you have any questions, give me a call. It's a nice truck. Thanks for taking a look.